Welcome to our kitchen. Today we prepare a simple yet surprisingly tasty ancient Roman recipe. Poached eggs with a pine nuts based sauce. We start with the ingredients for the sauce: pine nuts, some spices, black pepper and lovage, white wine vinegar, garum, we'll talk more later about it, and honey, and then the eggs. First we make the sauce. We grind in the mortar pepper and lovage. The quantity is up to your taste. We prefer a spicy peppery sauce, but the author doesn't give us the amount of ingredients for this sauce. This recipe is part of the collection attributed to Marcus Gavius Apicius, the widest source of ancient Roman recipes. In ancient Rome, eggs were usually served as appetizers, promulsis in Latin. The author wrote also one recipe for hard-boiled eggs and one for fried eggs, but we liked especially this tasty and well-balanced sauce for poached eggs. Now we add the pine nuts. We have previously soaked them in water for a couple of hours. The ground pine nuts will absorb the liquids, thickening the sauce. Ground pine nuts, walnuts and other nuts were often used in ancient Roman cooking as thickeners. Then we add the vinegar, a bit of honey and garum. We suggest adding them a little at a time and tasting often, to reach a good balance between acidity, sweetness and saltiness. Garum was a fish sauce widely used throughout the ancient Mediterranean. It was produced with different species of fish, with or without spices. Modern-day Southeast Asian fish sauces are produced in the same way as some types of garum, and you can use them to substitute it. Now we crack the eggs and pour them gently in hot water, just below the boiling point. We cook them for 3 minutes to reach a solid consistency of the albumen and a runny and creamy yolk. Now we are ready to serve. We plate the eggs and cover them with the sauce. This quick yet tasty and aromatic dish is a perfect starter for an ancient Roman meal.